I can't believe how high our electricity bills are. We need to find a way to reduce our dependence on the grid.
Have you considered a hybrid solar system? It can significantly lower your electricity bills and provide backup power during blackouts or emergencies.
What's a hybrid solar system?
It's a system that combines solar panels, an inverter, and a battery storage system to store excess energy generated by the solar panels.
How does it work?
During the day, solar panels generate DC electricity, which is then sent to the inverter. The inverter converts the DC electricity into AC electricity, which is used to power our homes and appliances.
That sounds amazing. How much can we save on our electricity bills?
On average, a hybrid solar system can save homeowners up to 70% on their electricity bills.
Wow, that's a lot. And it's also environment friendly, right?
Yes, using solar energy instead of fossil fuels reduces greenhouse gas emissions and helps protect the environment.